to log in Netflix account. So let's get started. Firstly, on a web browser, open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, example Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Now enter the netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you are in the Netflix website, you will find the option at the top right corner of the Netflix homepage, Sign In. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is type in the email address associated with your Netflix account and your password, and click on the Sign In to access your account. So, by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Netflix account and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.